Hi, I'm Melody Manning, and I'm your host for the Taste of Malaysia YouTube series in conjunction with the Malaysia Food Fest 2020. The Malaysia Food Fest is an annual event organized by the Agriculture Department of Malaysia here at the Embassy of Malaysia. The aim of this program is to promote Malaysian agricultural products, including food pastes such as sambal, rendang, and my favorite, curry. Unfortunately, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are unable to have in-house promotions like we did in previous years. Nevertheless, we are bringing Malaysian food to your screens, and you can make these delicious meals in the comfort of your own kitchen with minimal preparations. Although we are far away from home, Malaysians in the US are very lucky to have Malaysian restaurants all across the country serving delicacies like rendang, nasi lemak, and even teh tarik. Here in Washington, D.C., we will be showcasing 2 Malaysian restaurants, each showing their own Malaysian dish.
So let's take a look at our first restaurant in this YouTube series, the Satay Club, with a dish known as the national dish of Malaysia, the Nasi Lemak. The Satay Club was established in 2007 by Chef Anthony Gu and his wife, Amy. Chef Tony was born in the historical town of Malacca, and he wanted to open up a restaurant to bring the authenticity of Malaysian food to Washington, D.C. Among crowd favorites there are the Nasi Lemak, curry laksa, satay, and roti canai. Nasi Lemak is normally served with fried anchovies and peanuts, sliced cucumber, hard-boiled eggs, and a spicy sambai. It is a breakfast dish, but because you can serve Nasi Lemak in a variety of ways, it is commonly eaten at any time of the day. At the Satay Club, they serve it with additional condiments like shrimp sambai, fried chicken, water spinach, and, if there is a special request, rendang.
My name is Jasmine, and this is
Tony.
And today we'll be showing you how to make Malaysian cuisine nasi lemak with rendang chicken, curry laksa, and for dessert, honey fried banana. So the coconut rice is the most important component in the nasi lemak. So 2 cups of coconut rice. How many water you want to put?
And 1 cup.
1 cup of water and
1 cup.
1 cup of coconut milk. Okay. Just pour it in.
This is 2 cup. I just put.
And then next we will marinate the chicken because it takes the longest. So right here we have drumstick, and I'm gonna cut that.
Okay, 这个是 lemongrass 哦。
We have fresh lemongrass.
And we just cut.
To bring in more flavor to the chicken, we're going to lightly stir fry it until it's a little bit golden brown so that the flavor sinks in with the chicken, about 45 minutes.
Okay.
Gonna add in some oil,
Just a little bit.
just a little bit, not too much. You don't want it too oily. Does Ama use the paste?
Yeah.
So right now he's just lightly stir frying the lemongrass.
Smell the taste, the lemongrass.
Not yet. We'll wait. Maybe a little bit more.
Okay.
Splatter, splatter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much you want to put?
Half. Okay. So talk about what you do.
Okay. So we're adding the rendang paste to it and cooking it with the lemongrass. And you wanna stir fry it until like you see like a little bit of oil coming out, so that it's not dry when you add in with the chicken. So Itam, who taught you how to cook Malaysian food? Yeah, who?
Grandma.
My grandma?
Yeah.
And my grandma would bring him to different provinces in Malacca to find people that knows how to make really, really good Malaysian dishes, but you want to cook it with a high fire first. And then when it's like a little bit light brown, you turn down the fire so that it doesn't burn the chicken. Why do we use pandan leaf? Does it bring more flavor in?
More flavor, yeah. Pandan leaf to nasi lemak, to rendang. You don't always, a lot of things you use it.
You can also use pandan leaf in your coconut rice to bring out more flavor as well. So now we add in a little bit of water so that afterwards the rendang itself is not dry. You have at least some sauce that you can use with the rice. Little bit of coconut milk. So it's not too spicy. Unless you like spicy food.
Wait about 45 minutes.
Let it cook for 45 minutes with a low fire, and then we can move on to the next thing. So when the chicken is almost ready, we're gonna, it's like a palm sugar basically. But you don't want to add in too much because then it will be too sweet. Yeah. So only, he said that this item is only available in Malaysia, so it's really kind of hard to get. Yeah, it smells good. Okay. This one is dry, shredded dry coconut. You just add it in to add even more flavor to it. Nice. Just pour it in. Okay. Okay. All right. All done. And this will be the rendang chicken that we will put on with the plate afterwards. Next, we're going to prepare the sambal shrimp for the nasi lemak. Purple onion. So he's slicing the purple onion. So we usually use the purple onion because it's tastes better and its fragrance is more better. He said that with the shell on, it tastes better because it kind of absorbs all the flavor from the paste itself. He's removing the dirty stuff inside from the shrimp. It's basically up to your preference, but he said that smaller shrimp tastes better. For the sambal shrimp, we're gonna stir fry the purple onion first. Okay, just wait for the oil to get a little bit hot and then put it in until you smell that nice onion smell. Yep. And then we'll add the shrimp in. I can smell the onion already. Yeah, so he said not to add too much oil because the sambal paste itself already has like a lot of oil in there. Yeah, so you don't want it to be too oil because it won't taste as good.
Okay.
Hey. Yeah, it's splashing already. So if you don't want it to be too spicy, if you're not the type that likes spicy food, you can add in a bit of sugar to tone down the spice. But for us, we like spicy food. So we'll add in all the peppers. Yeah, that's right. So now we're gonna plate the nasi lemak. We're gonna put the coconut rice in a small bowl. And then, so you get that nice, like little round shape. And then you can add your cucumber in. We have the kangkong vegetables and boil egg. You can choose if you want fry egg or boil egg, but I prefer fry egg. I don't really like boil egg. And we have roasted peanuts. Main component in nasi lemak is the roasted peanuts and the anchovies.
Anchovy,
Yeah.
You can cook the sambal also.
You can cook the sambal with the anchovies or just pan fry it.
Okay, this is sambal shrimp.
Sambal shrimp. Add like 2 more. Yes. And the last thing is our rendang chicken. What? He said when he was little, The Nasi Lemak they used to sell in Malaysia is only the rice and the egg. And it's wrapped in newspaper
and banana leaf.
and banana leaf. We have your finished look. Nasi Lemak. Woohoo! Got it done. Easy.
So if you are in Washington, D.C., be sure to head over to Satay Club at Tenleytown and get yourself a delicious meal of Nasi Lemak. If you're feeling adventurous but not too sure about the sambal sauce, you can always make it at home by heading over to Amazon or your nearest grocery store, and you can buy this paste just like the one Chef Tony used. I know what I'll be having for dinner tonight.
Hey yo, I go by the name Tessel Tag. Welcome everybody to the 2020 Malaysian Food Fest. Are you guys ready to try the taste of Malaysia? Here we go. Let me walk through. Go. Assalamualaikum. Welcome and welcome to the Malaysian Food Fest, specially organized for you. Feel free to try out our delicacies. We got it all from fruits to meat to pastries. Let us start our day with some breakfast. Nasi lemak, roti canai, your hops and crackers. We love them all, but we'll never deny kaya and butter in a bread toaster. This a must try. Wantan mee, you can get it bar free. Everything is halal over here, cause we love to eat. Food is a form of happiness and we love to share it.